है खिड़की मैंने इस नाजुक से दिल की, जागे है देखो फिर से ख्वाब हजार, बन के लहर तू आई, रूह से यूं टकराई, सदियों से था इस पल के लिए बेकरार। क्या किया है तुमने, क्या किया है तुमने, क्या किया है तुमने मेरे यार।
ये क्या कर दिया आपने भाई? चीयर्स चीयर्स टू क्या किया है तूने। तो क्या किया आपने भाई? सो मेनी मिलियंस ऑफ व्यूज ऑलरेडी फॉर द सॉन्ग।
अभी व्यूज को मैं हार्ट्स गिनता हूँ कि मेरे गाने दिल जीतते, बाकियों के गाने व्यूज जीतते होंगे, बट आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट फीलिंग। एंड फॉर मी व्हाट आई वुड से इज very important when a song comes up is the more than anything the comments for it. So yeah, audience के जो comments होते हैं are the most truest form to gauge.
Now tell me something. Rockstar तो देखी होगी आपने, obviously film industry and one of the watershed events. Rockstar तो वो डायलॉग नहीं है, प्यार में दिल टूटा है, दिल टूटने पे म्यूजिक निकलता है, संगीत निकलता है. I mean, where is this love ballads and songs of love and loss and some things that become anthems? ये inspiration आ कहाँ से रही है अमाल की जिंदगी में? I mean, do you often get this question that who is it who inspires you to create the kind of music that you do?
I think musically the inspirations have been many. Previously, like I've grown up luckily in an environment of great musicians. My grandfather was my first. Then Madan Mohan Saab, S.P. Burman, Lakshmikant Pyarlal, R.D. Burman, Shankar Jaikishan. All these great musicians I got to hear about because I was in this family. So वो Indian music मैंने proper classical training नहीं ली, but बहुत ही अच्छा इंडियन म्यूजिक सुनने मिला when I was a kid. I believe in taking everything, feeling everything in life. I don't like to hide that, if I'm down, I should feel, no, let's keep a different vibe. And so I let everything make me feel a certain way. And I believe that everyone should let these feelings come about. If you're feeling let down, maybe sometimes a friendship didn't work out, maybe a relationship didn't work out. Some of your friends have troubles in their lives, and every emotion you should be open-hearted to. You should not be like, I don't want pain. I don't want love.
राह में उनसे मुलाकात हो गई, राह में उनसे इससे डरते थे, वही बात हो गई.
A lot of my poetry coming from here, like कौन तुझे यूं प्यार करेगा, like I have a ear for the right things. When Manoj Kushal said that line, I stopped and I said, this is it. ये छुपा लो, क्योंकि this is what every person, maybe a father, a mother, brother, sister, a relationship, anyone, when you have a fight, they're like, हाँ जा देखते हो कौन तेरे नखरे देखता है, या कौन तुझे मेरे से ज्यादा प्यार करे, या मम्मी भी बोलती है. So it's a universal thought. So I try to keep my eyes and ears open for those kind of things.
आपने सरदार मलिक साहब की भी बात की थी. I mean, if we talk about the Malik tag, you are the one person, along with your brother, of course, who have not really found the Malik tag limiting. You've been independent of it, And one thing very interesting that I found is that you like to spell your surname with a double L. And Arman does it with a single L. So that is also independence altogether, individuality. इसके पीछे क्या कारण है?
बचपन में मेरा पता नहीं, किसी एक छोटी सी, पहले मेरे ट्विटर पे 4-5 फैंस थे सिर्फ, like I had 5 followers, but 5 really sweet kids, and one's mom was into astrology and I never believed in it. But my time wasn't also good. My films, like I did one film, Jai Ho, and the Malik tag added more than, the pressure than helping me and Arman out. It created more of roadblocks. So we decided that we need to be not Annu Malik, Dabu Malik, we need to be Amal and Arman. So that was a difficult task. Then when I did Jai Ho, the music didn't get appreciated, and people compared me to my uncle and my dad, saying, can't make music like them, not a chip of the old block. For a 23-year-old, that was a little harsh, to handle. So I was demoralized, and somewhere I felt, why am I doing music? And these things used to happen to me. So I was not sure if I would continue. I started studying M.Com and all those things. तो कहीं ना कहीं से एक छोटी बच्ची की मम्मी ने बोला कि just add one A and one L, it will resonate better with you. I was like, Amal, Malik, ये क्या है? तो सब मजाक उड़ाएंगे, अमाल का माल जो अभी होता ही है. But it was funny because I look out for signs and energies in my life. I'm very spiritual like that. I don't believe in anything except a vibe, with people.
Yeah.
There is a, like, if I'm sitting with someone and there's great energy exchange, like, wow, this will for sure be a long friendship, partnership. So I was like, okay, okay, let's try. Before I tried, I started getting checks, bills, everything in that spell. And for years, my spelling was AMAL, MALIK, and I was like, why is this happening? This is like a conspiracy. I said, this is the world trying to tell me to change my name. And then from Amal Malik, I became Amal Malik. But it's okay. Both, like, people call me Amal who know me since childhood. But Amal is Amal for me. But ऐसा नहीं है बच्चों, जो भी देख रहे हो कि एक A ऐड कर दिया, एक L कर दिया और कम्बल पकड़ के सो गए उस टाइम पे. बहुत मेहनत की है. And today I'm close to almost 90 songs in my career of 7 years. And it's only because of the hard work my parents did first, and then the support of my family, the blessing of their families, my grandfather, and our hard work, obviously.
You guys have an entire fan army. I mean, they call themselves Amalians, Armanians, Armalians. ये Arman और Amal दोनों की fan army. I mean, you guys are rock stars in that entire music circuit in the truest of the sense, because we haven't really. Do you think right now is the time which is very, very good for performing artists and artists like yourself and people who are going independent?
I think it's the best time for, luckily, independent music, because of the films being pushed ahead and theaters not being there and everything coming on the web. So, music albums are not getting those. Film music albums are not getting that importance anymore. It feels good and bad because I love doing films as well. But it's a great time for individual artists to put their own music and be stars independent of films. We've always had a industry, but we've never had a music industry. We've always been dependent ki if that actor is in my song, then I'll make it. If that film is big and hits a certain number, then my music will also be remembered more. So now it's not that. Now I think listeners just want good music, and you see there's an entire range of independent artists, indie artists, in terms of very real indie music of India, I would say. Like Pratik Kuhad would be doing some really nice work, or Jasleen. And commercial indie pop would be what Darshan, Arman, Honey Singh, and Badshah, Divine, who's somewhere in between commercial and new age. So there's space for everyone. And I think that's what is important. People are managing to put their own style out, and people are loving them for that. And the audience is up to listen to any kind of genre. Now, because of the lockdown, they're listening to so much English music also. So there are kids who range from Kanye West to Farida Khan. There are people who listen like that. So it's great.
Amal, you spoke about, having been inspired from any and everything around and across you. So I also think that you are a 90s aficionado. I mean, you like the 90s music a lot.
In the first year of the 90s. I'm a 1990 born.
Yeah. So what I'm going to do is, let's do some word associations. मैं कुछ words बोलती हूँ, जो गाना आपके दिमाग में उससे related आता है. You tell me that. Okay? बारिश
90s का तो कोई नहीं याद आ रहा है.
नहीं, anything, any song that you know.
इस दर्द दिल की सिफारिश अब कर दे कोई, दिल जाए वो जो भिगा दे पूरी तरह. दर्द दिल की सिफारिश अब कर दे कोई.
और आज का बारिश, आई रियली लाइक बी प्राक्स बारिश आल्सो। ऐ खुदा तू बोल दे तेरे बादलों को, मेरा यार हंस रहा है बारिश की जाए। ये भी बहुत अच्छा गाना है।
Wow. Okay. Okay. Second one. Coffee. Since you are on Coffee Time with Riha, Coffee. Coffee से कौन सा गाना है?
कॉफी से गाना मुझे, I think I like that song. It doesn't speak about coffee, but it's for me. Coffee is that.
Yeah.
जा, जाने क्यों दिल जानता है, तू है तो I'll be all right.
Interesting. Sham.
शामें कई ऐसी शामें, and also a very beautiful song by Amit Trivedi, शाम भी कोई जैसे है नदी। Very nice song.
Okay. Asma.
तो आसमानों को और दो जहानों को छोड़ के आया तेरे पास। तब नहीं,
शायद खत्म या फिर बचा है दिल में कहीं पे तुम्हारा इंतजार। तू सामने से ऐसे गुजरा हो, लगा है हमको तुमसे ही प्यार। सौदा ये दो दिलों का, सौदा ये दो दिलों का, लगता है कुछ पर ना होगा ये हमसे बार बार। क्या किया है तूने, क्या किया है तूने, क्या किया है तूने मेरे यार।